Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, the Ram decided to tell me it needed a headlight. It had one out. And I mean, it actually told me it had one out. So, now, we've got new LED H11 light bulbs for it. We're going to install them, show you how that goes on a 2022 Dodge Ram pickup, and hopefully it helps out anybody that's wanting to swap their headlights around. So I ordered these ones off of Amazon. They're Sea Light company, a Scope Park, I guess that's how you say it, Scope Park, LED lighting. So there's supposed to be two of them in there. They're H11. So let's see how it goes. So after doing a little investigation, the only screw I could find was this one right here. To take out the headlight on the 22 Dodge, you've got one there, one way down there, which you definitely cannot see with this camera, but there's straight down, there's an 8mm upright. You've got one right here, and then behind this little panel here there is a clip that you pull down, and then the headlight comes out. So I'm going to undo those and we'll see how this goes. To gain enough movement, I had to undo a couple of these so I could pull the rad forward, the grill. So you got this bolt here, there's the other one down there, then there's a slip pin in the back behind this. You push it up, not pull it down, but push it up. Then you need to pry this outward. Once it comes out, your headlight is actually in behind this. So you gotta open that up, and then the headlight is in back behind there. So there we go. Now I'm going to replace that with the new one, and away we go. Now there's the new LED version. This one is built with a little fan in the back to help keep it cool, so you don't melt out your lights. I don't know how well that fan's going to do in that enclosed area, but I'll see. Hopefully it works. And we'll go from there. So there's the new LED one. Yep, nice and bright. And yet when you get over to this is the older one. Got that yellow look to it. That's the original versus the LED. So we're going to convert both lenses over, and or both bulbs over, so that it's looks better going down the road. And I can see more, hopefully. Okay, I took the whole grill off. It's actually easier. So to take the grill off, you have four 10 mils across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have two clips, metal or plastic spring clips you have to pop out. One here and one down here. This one's hard to reach. If you put your fingers in the grill, pull straight out, it will pop out. On mine, this one was already broken. So... But this one's fine. The other two are fine, but this one was already broken. Down here. Sorry. This one here was already broken. So, anyways, it's not hard to take the grill off. Once it's out of your way, it's a lot easier to get at these screws. Now you can see the screw a lot better. Right there. One there. And then the clip in the back. So, alright. We're going to get this lens, this bulb changed, and get it all back together. So there we go. You can see by the light here, this is the driving lights, and they're the incandescent. And they get that yellow look, where this is the white of the new headlights. They're very nice, not overly bright, not overly annoying, but they do light up the road very nice. I think eventually we're going to start working on changing the rest of these. So these guys down here and the high beam bulbs that are hiding under there that I don't have lit, we're going to get those switched over to LED, I believe. And maybe even the turn signals, I already have those. Just whether or not I want to play with trying to get those damn bulbs out, because taking that thing out's a pain. So maybe when I do the headlights, I'll do the turns as well. I do have LEDs. I already have those in stock, I believe. I could be wrong. Oh, maybe I don't. No, I don't. Great. Anyway, I might change those, I may not. But I'm definitely going to look at the high beams eventually, and then and also these lower lamps. Switch them up so that they're all the LED, a little nicer for driving. And then of course we do have the new, you can just see them hiding in there, the new pod lights. They're wired this far into the engine compartment, but I haven't got the rest on, just because I don't know where I want to put a switch inside the cab. I don't want to put a switch where I'm having to drill a big ass hole or make a real mess or anything. You know, I like the truck the way it is, but I do want those lamps in there. I don't want them on all the time, so I do want to switch. I just haven't figured out where to put it yet. So I've driven the truck a few times at night now, and those lights are very nice. They do light up the road nicely, even in town where you got street lights, everything else. Just nice. I haven't had it out in the boonies yet, but I'm sure they'll do quite fine. They definitely are nice, and I would definitely suggest them if you're looking for a set of lights. Now, next thing is longevity, but I've only had them in for a week, so we'll see how long they last. But with the little coolers on them, I think they should do pretty good. I'm not bouncing this around off-road or anything, just, you know, your typical potholes and stuff, so they should be pretty good. Other than that, I've had no problems with them. They don't seem to give the car any trouble. I'm not getting any messages or anything in the car like something's faulting. So far so good. Looking forward to upgrading some more of the lights. Maybe we'll get some more sea lights for the rest of them and get it together. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Remember to hit that subscribe, that like. We have the new segments of What Did I Get Now, which this will also be in as well. But new segments of What Did I Get Now, products that we've either bought, gotten, given, or sponsored to us. And we'll show you what they're about and whether they're cool, fun, worthwhile, etc. So until then, I will see you next video.